You might be feeling really confused about this new BOIR reporting as part of the Corporate Transparency Act because on December 3rd, a Texas federal court put an injunction on it. So what is true about the Corporate Transparency Act, which requires all LLCs and entities that were formed with a filing through their Secretary of State, which is you, small businesses, what is true is that that filing, which was due December 31st, is temporarily optional. You can still do the filing. You don't have to. You will not incur fines as long as this injunction is good. But here's what I'm telling my clients. P.S. This is not legal or tax advice. This is just an opinion and education. Here's what I'm saying. I would go ahead and do the filing anyway, unless you love setting up Google alerts on your phone to make sure that you know when this injunction gets overturned, because it's successfully been ruled by federal courts constitutional in Oregon and Virginia. So I suspect this injunction will not stick, and that in fact, as soon as it's overturned, you will start to incur $500 a day penalties for not having done the filing. And yes, that's up to $10,000 and 2 years in jail. So I would recommend going ahead and doing this BOIR reporting. It's really fast, easy, and it's free. And I made a short little course where you can watch me do my filing, open a screen and a tab for yourself side by side, and just walk yourself right through doing your own filing in about 10 minutes, maybe less. So if you want to get that, it's at sunlighttax.com/LLC, and I hope you enjoy it.